All right, I went to the box store to see what they had. They have these, and they're only 40 cents if I buy them in quantity. 4x4. They're a little tight, but they fit. Check this out. Watch. Put the mug in, and it closes. It's actually very tight. I kind of wanted to put a piece of foam in there or something, but I mean, heck, it fits. So let's see how it does whenever I like drop test it or throw test it. All right, mug's in here. I know this isn't concrete, but I could still give it a pretty good, pretty good. How you doing? Wow, if that didn't break it. Like that. Ooh, that was a pretty good hit. Pretty good lick. Let's see. I'll be. Look at that. Not a scratch. Me. Good morning, everyone. We're in the shed. I'm Lonnie, and it's time to get to work. I'm gonna stick with the listing 3 things before I pull orders, so I'm gonna get that done now. Candace got some old dolls from her mother yesterday. I guess, like, I don't know, from when she was younger or something. I don't know, but she told me just to sell them, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably lot these up and just sell them like that. So that'll probably be 2 of the listings there, and then I'll find something else to list, and then we'll pull orders. But I wanted to talk about these coffee cups real quick. These things. So I kind of underestimated how well those were going to do. They sold out. It was pretty amazing. They sold out in under 2 hours. So I really wish now, in hindsight, that I would have got more, because I know a lot of y'all wanted to get one and weren't able to, so I apologize for that. I appreciate everyone that bought one of these mugs. So that's going to be right at $700 that we're going to donate. I'm going to set up the page and everything. Actually, Candace is going to set up the page, and we'll make that donation here in the next day or 2, and I'll give a link to it or whatever. It's all going to be like transparent, dealing with like charitable type stuff. I think that's important. You know, not just say, hey, I donated this, but actually show where you can like verify or whatever. But yeah, I really appreciate it. That support was very humbling, and I want to let y'all know that we are going to do another series soon. The first order was short, just because I wanted to try the company out and see and make sure everything was good, and it was. Their quality is good, their shipping is great. They were very responsive with me in email and stuff. So yeah, everything's good with that. Again, appreciate it. It was very humbling. But yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and list this doll stuff, put it away, and probably a Batman item, and then we'll come back and we'll pull the orders that sold yesterday. Oh, the coffee cups, I'm waiting on the boxes to come in. It's probably going to be Monday or Tuesday before those ship. So just to let y'all know. The next round, I will have boxes in place. So it'll probably be next day shipping on those whenever we do that. I'm thinking we're going to do that August 1st, by the way. All right, so step 1 today has been accomplished. I'm going to keep on doing that. Like, it feels good to actually knock something like that out first thing. So yeah, I listed these Barbies in one lot, then I listed, these actually aren't bad. The Barbies I don't think are that great. These aren't that bad, these Little Mermaid dolls. The only problem with these, the boxes are really rough. So these are like $20 a piece kind of dolls in good boxes. But yeah, I did them a pretty good bit cheaper in this lot. And then I listed a black and white statue, one of the Batman guys. So anyways, let me put this stuff up real quick, and then we'll pull some orders that are going out today. All right, let's get to it. Let's pull some orders. This is something that actually sold day before yesterday, but they paid I think early this morning, maybe. Not sure. Let's see. Yep, right here. Batman Classics TV series. Granix. This is Batman and Robin printed on a rock that you hang on the wall, I guess. I got $37.99 plus shipping on top for this. I knew these would be long tail, but I expected to sell a few by now. I haven't really sold many though, but I did sell this one right here. Luftwaffe Commander by SSI. Big box game. One thing with these games is they're big box, but they're not really that old. They're still CD-ROM for the most part. There might be one or two that have floppy disk, but yeah, this is kind of a weird era where there's not, I mean, there are some that have value, but most of them just don't have a ton. Anyway, this sold for $23.74 plus shipping on top. Okay, next up is one of these Disney figures. This will be the third one I've sold now. It is the, there we go. All right, didn't want to drop that thing too hard. This is the opening credits for Toy Story on a little scroll. $14.99 plus shipping on top. This is going out to one of our viewers named Alan. So Alan, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate the business. I hope you like the little Toy Story scroll. Appreciate it, dude. All right, so I had a second lot of Hot Wheels cars. Or they might be Matchbox, I can't remember. No, I think these are all Hot Wheels. Running at auction again, like I did last week. And these did a little better, actually. These got $28 plus shipping on top. It's a lot of 24 vintage cars. They got a good deal. I mean, I'm happy to sell them for that, but this is a really good deal for whoever bought them. It works for me though. And like I did last time, I will be using one of the little regional A boxes, I think, to ship that in. It fits it pretty perfectly. So yeah, I think I need to start another one. Maybe I'll start another one of those auctions tonight because I have some more cars. All right, I'm getting something down this aisle. Guess what it is? I'll give you a second. And let's go. All right, so if you guess, I sold one of these little GM, what do we call these, fobs? It's got the 2 key fobs in the receiver. Sold one of these, one set of these for $66.49. Rolling along, slow but sure. Making a killing on these little guys. I love it. Okay, last thing is, I just pulled it from this box right here. This little Johnny Lightning Bikini.com. It's a .com racers series. $3.79 plus shipping on top. This is going out to a viewer named Phil. So Phil, thanks so much, man. I hope you enjoy the car. I appreciate it. I'm back from post office and box store, and I shot that clip that I decided to put at the front of the video. I thought that was pretty fun. Just do a little crash testing. I mean, whenever you're shipping that many of something, kind of need to do a little testing to see what it can and can't handle, huh? And after doing that test, I feel pretty good about that size box, although I have some other size boxes on the way anyway. So anyway, oh, what am I opening here? So this, I should cover this label up. What am I opening here? I am opening a I just cut it and I forgot I got to cover the label or whatever. This is not like the package I opened last week. Don't worry, it's not anything from Lowball Leonard. I know what this is. Ryan and Pam over at Thrift Mind, they ran an auction last week for a picture, and I really liked it, and I went ahead and just bid up on it. I wanted to put it on my wall. I thought it was cool. I don't know why. For whatever reason, I fancied it. So I bought the thing. I got bid up high too. I got bid up to, I paid $91 or something, And look at this pack job that Ryan, I think Ryan packed it. He packed the crap out of this thing. Look at this. Let me read the note. Thank you so much for your purchase. Also, thank you for everything you've done to help us, for your continued support. Most importantly, thanks for being a great friend. Wow, that's very nice. Your friends, Ryan and Pam, Thrift Mine. So, dude, that is awesome. And you know what? I'm going to take this note and I'm going to put it on the back of the picture. So I'll keep it. I'll have it. So that was a very nice note. Oh, Ryan and Pam at Thrift Mine, their channel, if you're not already subbed, go check it out. It's they are full-time. I've talked about them on the channel before, but they both have full-time jobs. They're very young. They just got married. They have a house, and they resell on the side, and they have a heck of a lot of fun doing it. And they do like really fun live shows. They do all kind of wacky stuff. Just a lot of fun and just genuinely good people. So go check them out and see if you like them. Look at this cushioning. I got $90 worth of cushioning here. Not really, but yeah. Hey Ryan, it looks like the picture made it fine. Oh gosh, I'm one-handing this. Hang on, let me unwrap this. All right, here it is. And oh my gosh, you know what? Unfortunately, like, I'm looking at the GoPro and I'm looking at it with my own two eyes. And unfortunately, the GoPro does not capture how trippy this thing really is. It's a lenticular and you can't tell, but it's like got this crazy 3D effect to it. I love it. I really do. I really like this thing. Where's it gonna go? I could put it up high like that. Or right there, something like that. Oh yeah, I really do like it. It's got a hanger right there too. But man, I wish y'all could see how trippy this thing is. That's the three bears. I guess that's Goldilocks up there at the top of the stairs. A lenticular is what they call this. Isn't that cool? I paid almost $100 for this. I think it's gonna look cool. So thanks Ryan and Pam for putting this up for sale and packing it so well. I really like it. And oh, there's a link to Ryan and Pam's channel right down below if y'all haven't heard of it before, for y'all to go check it out. I think you'll like it. It's something a little different, or a lot different. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to hang it yet, but I will hang it at the beginning of tomorrow's video. That's what I'll do. There's an empty spot there. Or I could move telephone sign down right up against the BMX jump sign and then put it there. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it's really cool. This other one, you know what? I'm gonna open this other thing. This is really cool too. Bought this from another YouTuber. I'm gonna open this tomorrow. And for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off and hopefully get a little listing done here. And I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.